Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your location, country, or region displayed on your Instagram profile. So this process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So before we can add or change a location, we first need to make sure that your Instagram account is set to a professional or a business account. So if you already have one, that's great, but if you don't, I will show you exactly how to do that. First, open your Instagram app, then click on the profile icon to the bottom right-hand corner, and after that, click on the three lines at the top right-hand corner, and over here, simply scroll down and find the option called Account Type and Tools. Click on that, and then click on Switch to Professional Account, then click on Next. Now over here, you can choose whatever type of professional account you want to create. Then click on Done. Now wait for a few seconds. And over here, you can choose either business or creator. Both will work just fine. So I'll go with business, then click on Next. Now over here, you should be able to see some of your information. And in this menu, you will have an option called Display Contact Info. If you enable this option, people will be able to see your contact info on your profile. So it's totally up to you if you want to enable this option or not. Then click on Next. Now, once you've done that, you can skip this option, and then you can go back to the main menu and see that you have a new option called Edit Profile, and you should also have a Professional Dashboard. Now, all you'll do is click on Edit Profile. Now, inside this menu, just scroll down a little, and you should be able to see an option called Public Business Information. Simply click on Contact Options. And right over here, you should be able to see an option called Business Address. Click on that, and now choose whatever address you want. So click on City and Town, and choose whatever you want. Let's say, for example, Florida, and then choose Florida. Then you can add your zip code right over here. After that, click on the checkmark icon at the very top right-hand corner. And now you should be able to see your new business address right over here. Again, click on the checkmark icon at the top right. Wait for a few seconds, and you should be able to go back, and your new address or region should be shown over here. Now, if for some reason you are unable to see this option, just refresh the page or restart the application itself, and then within a few seconds, you should be able to see this option on your phone. So that's it. You now know how to change your public location on your Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.